Yo, what is up, guys? It's your guy Chris here. I don't know. Intro keeps changing every time. I'll find something I like. But, context of the last video, that way, I'm not going to leave an annotation because I don't know how. If I do, I'll put it there. If I figure it out, I'll put it there. If I do, I don't know. But this video is going to be on how to clean your retainer. I have found two really good methods, so... Dude, that hurts. Mine's to help pull my jaw forward for my overwrite, so it'll match up. But I have found these. I got them at Walmart. They're really good. They're a retainer, mouth guard, and removable braces cleaner. They kill 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria. Odor. Not gonna really read the directions to you guys, but I'll tell you. Well, normally you do this in your retainer case, but if you're stupid like me, you took it to work with a pack of rubber bands and one of your things to put your rubber bands on if you can't do it with your hands. So, I'm glad I got spares of all that. You take your retainer. I'm going to use a glass just for educational purposes. Fill it about just enough to submerge your retainer in. Ew. Somehow I got one of my hairs in there. That's terrible. Same ordeal. Drop your retainer in there. Let it sink to the bottom. Give it a little help if it needs it. Go ahead and bring it down. You're going to take one of these nice little packets. Open it like you would if you're going to put something like flavored powder in your water. And just pour it right in there. You wait about 5 to 10 minutes, I think. It should be about 5 minutes, yep. 5 minutes and the solution will turn white instead of that. So when it starts to come back, we'll come back. Until then, goodbye. Well, we're still waiting, guys, but as you can see, it fills inside, foams up inside where all your dirty plaque and everything is in your teeth. But while we wait, we do get to have a nice McCafe mocha. Oh, it's almost done actually. Starting to clear up now. Hi, doggy. Get down. Stop it. Stop. The liquid is supposed to turn clear, but I did use too much water. So, it's what it looked like last time. The liquid just turned clear. We're going to go ahead and call that even because it's already been about 10 minutes. Actually, it's been 13 minutes and some time. So we're going to call that good and go ahead and... That was my retainer. Aligner, whatever you want to call it, retainer / aligner. And then it's going to have all this nice white foam up inside of it. Jesus. Look at that. I think it's clean. And then what I normally do is go ahead and take a little bit of toothpaste. I got... This got whitening in it? No. Got some Sensodyne. I got my old tube because I got a little left in there and I just found it in my cabinet here. And got the little... Don't want to break my retainer. Wow, this thing's hard to open. Look at it. Ow. Got my little toothbrush they gave me at the dentist for cleaning my retainer. Just gonna go ahead and try and get minimum amount of toothpaste on there, so that's way too much, but we'll wipe it even. About that much. Go ahead. Oh, I should put some water on before. It's whatever. Take our toothbrush. Make sure we get all the way around. Nice and deep in there. Make sure you guys get the front, backs, and sides. I mean, if not, these things get pretty dirty. I didn't really clean it the first 2 days I had it. Well, I did clean it. I didn't clean it good, is what I should say. So, the third day when I actually took it out and looked at it to clean it, I was like, that's really dirty. And go ahead and wash it off with the toothpaste tip for about 10 seconds. Make sure you're getting inside the grooves here where your teeth moldings are. Just like you're brushing normal teeth. Flip it around. Make sure you wash it off again so it's just water. And do the same. Get nice deep down in there. I'm going to rinse it out now. We can see where the toothpaste is left at. Yeah, we got a little toothpaste left in the front and the top here. Make sure we get all of it. I mean, if you don't get it all, it's just going to taste really nasty and stick to your teeth and not help. Is that on the inside? Clean. Alright, see? You guys can't really see that. This camera does not focus when it's backwards. Flip it around. It's all in there. So like I said, just clean the toothbrush off. Make sure you're getting deep down in there with the bristles, or it's just not going to get it clean all the way. Nice deep down in there. There we go. Nice and foamy from the toothpaste. Got some stuff here in the front. Show you guys, bring you guys down here. Go right here so you can get my hands. I do not have the best setup, guys. I'm sorry. Kind of just wanted to get started while I had them on the first week. Put that in there just like that. Leave it open so the water will drip so it doesn't get all moldy. Rinse it through one more time. Then I like to take a little bit of mouthwash. I don't actually have my syringe I use to clean my braces with, or my wisdom teeth holes that are open still. Just drip a little bit of mouthwash in the front. Slide it that way, slide it that way. Get the top. Just for that extra nice taste. And run it through the water one more time. Some cold water. Got some SIDS in there from the mouthwash. I'm going to go ahead and it's going to sound really stupid. I normally take some Q-tips and just make sure it's all clean. Take some paper towels, wipe it down. Get all the water off so I can see what we're doing with. And it looks like a spot right in here where my front tooth is did not get clean, so just take one Q-tip, spin it around in there. Oh, there we go. And one more time just to make sure, run it through each tooth. I would switch a Q-tip after two or three teeth, probably 2. But it's pretty clean now. So we're gonna go ahead and take another sip, or should not have froze up. Pop back in. Give it a nice little vacuum to it to make sure there's no water in there, and then it's clean as a whistle. And make sure you guys take your brush back out, empty whatever water stuck in. Mine does have holes in the bottom, so it will leak out, but just to make sure it stays clean. And then sometimes, or not sometimes, yesterday I took this water flosser, ran it through. It did not do a good job. It actually just didn't do anything. Ooh. High pressure pick, didn't do nothing. So, but yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I say in all of them, make sure you, oh, I got my floss stuff wet, sorry. If you If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or tips on cleaning. I mean, I'm always open if there's another faster way. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. You don't have to like or subscribe. It's not going to kill me. You guys have a good day.